What's going on, guys? Michael here from Reaper Customs. Today we're gonna be taking off this Tesla mirror. So first you wanna come on inside the door panel. I'll show you what it looks like. What you do is you wanna take this center speaker cover off. It just has one plug here, and it's just a little tension retained plug that you wanna unplug. Set that on the dash here. And then right in here, right in behind here, you have a T27 bolt that you're gonna wanna remove. Just like that. That is the T27. Nextly, you want to get up here, and on the corner of the door panel, there's a little hole that the speaker wire goes through. You want to stick your finger in there, and you want to pry inside and pop the corner away from the door. As you can see, now you have a little space. So for the plug for the mirror, if you look in behind here, this is the actual wire for it. And if you follow it down at the very bottom here, there is a blue plug that you're going to want to unplug. And then there's a clip here. You pop the clip out just like that. And then the mirror is actually held on by 3 10 mils. So you're going to want to pull back the weather guard, the rubber. And in behind the rubber, you'll see a 10 mil over here. Right down in behind the door panel right here. And then the last one is right here at the top. So let me remove those and I'll get right back to you. I'm professional. This is the last 10 mil I just got out. So now that 10 mil's out, what you want to do is you're going to want to grip the mirror from the bottom. And you're going to want to apply upwards and a little bit of like a rotating outwards. So it pops out like this, and then you just pull the wire all the way through. And that is your Tesla mirror.